What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and the S&P 500. Happy New Year's, happy 2025. Hopefully you guys had a good day yesterday, and hopefully this year will be even better. Now, as for us in the cryptocurrency markets here, I think some interesting things are going to be happening this year, more than we've seen leading up to 2025. We have seen some crazy, hectic stuff over the past couple of years, and I know without a doubt, like with 100% certainty on previous episodes, numerous times, we can go back as early as this year, like early 2024, and even into 2023. I have made it very clear that towards the end of 2024 into 2025, we would see Bitcoin approach or hit 100K, and that is exactly what we did. Now, there is this small chance that we could continue to head up higher, and that is what we're trying to figure out today, moving forward here. Every single cryptocurrency that we look at is getting very close to nearing a point where we could possibly see one final break to the upside before we consolidate and decide to dip lower. Now, that is still a big possibility, and I think there is more of a guaranteed chance of correction to the downside than there is of heading to the upside. Like, I think it's not a matter of if there will be a break to the downside. It's more of like when there will be a break to the downside, and then if there's one last chance we could possibly break up. So very interesting, but we're going to track these cryptos. What we left off in last year, which is crazy to think, still holds some weight in this year, and we're going to have to check that out. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis here, remember BYDFI is doing a very cool giveaway for the New Year's here. You can see you can trade for a chance to win quite a few different types of bonuses here in regards to some free merchandise if you guys are interested in that. The link will be down in the description below. Anywho, moving on and into today's episode. Yesterday we left off talking about that there's a chance that we could see a New Year's breakout as early as this week, and I still think that holds true. And we're going to have to check this out as most of the cryptocurrencies have been forming new technical indicators, and we're coming to the end of them, which means at some point sooner rather than later, we're going to have to make a decision. Hopefully, it is going to break us to the upside, but honestly, it doesn't even matter. Anything can really happen, and regardless of direction that we move, we're going to be able to profit off of it. Obviously, we'd like the prices to go higher, but it doesn't matter because we have finally the opportunity and availability to short cryptocurrencies, which opens up a whole different market for us. You can see here, though, starting off the new year, we are in a very good spot. 49 on the Fear and Greed Index is incredible. That gives us tons of weight to pump to the upside and also to the downside too. So regardless of which way we go, we have the room now, the necessary room to make it happen, which we didn't have just a couple of weeks ago. Bitcoin down 4.5% for the week. And some of the other cryptocurrencies are down that too, 3 to 5%, I'd say, across the board. Avalanche down 12, XRP is down 5%. Consolidation has pretty much been this week, and it's only Wednesday morning, the 1st, which is, it's unbelievable how fast time is going. I graduated college in 2020. So that is almost sick to think it's been 5 years out of college. Unbelievable. It's crazy how much faster time moves after that. High school was middle school, extremely slow. High school, a little bit slower. College flew by in 30 seconds. And now I have practically spent more time outside of college than I have the 4 years in college, which is even crazier to think about here. But we've made a ton of progress, and I know you guys have too, so I'm very excited to see where this year is going to take us. Something's good is coming for us this year, so I'm definitely excited to see that. But to look at XRP to start here, you can see we are inside a beautiful bull flag formation here. Massive flag pull up, lower high, lower low to the downside here. And you can see we're inside this fractal. There's like two fractals forming here. Much larger bull flag, but we're also inside a little smaller itsy bitsy bull flag. I don't really care too much about this smaller one in here. I just drew it on because I noticed a trend. You can see clear as day here. We really are paying attention to the one outside of it because once we get confirmation of a confirmation break or like confirmation of which direction we're going to move to, if we can close above here or below here, then we'll know, with certainty where we're going to be moving to, and it's pretty much guaranteed profit. If we can close above here, a daily candle, which you can see we haven't, and we've tried in the past, we close above here, we're going to explode to the upside very violently, very aggressive. It's going to be very good. However, if we close below here, which again, we can see we've tried on numerous occasions to do so with no luck, we close below here, we're going to dump to the downside, and we're going to be able to short that. So I don't really care which direction we move to. If we break above here and rally up, oh, more power to us. Amazing. We'll hit all-time highs, hopefully. We fall, again, sucks, but who cares, because we'll be able to take advantage of these on BYDFI because we have that opportunity to short cryptocurrency. So as long as you know when it comes, and as long as we get that clear confirmation because we are trading conservatively, we're going to profit regardless here. So make sure to sign up, like I said, for BYDFI down in the description below, because you have XRP to leverage trade. I have it saved here on my favorites here. So there's obviously something forming which we're going to be able to take advantage of. And if you're not in it, then so be it here. But you can see there's a clear like fractal or something forming here. It's a little bit hard to judge, but something like this. I mean, it is so obvious and apparent that we're going to be able to capitalize off this very quickly. It doesn't get any easier than this. They're pretty much like giving this to us on a silver platter because of how obvious these technical indicators are forming a new fractal, most likely a bull flag or some sort of symmetrical pennant flag, which typically break bullish. So regardless, you can see how this is all forming will yield some very good stuff for us very soon. And it could be as early as, I mean, it's a little bit tougher. I could draw this on here like I did before if we want to. I don't think it's that necessary, but I guess for the sake of you guys in the video, we can leave it here just to get that confirmation. Something like that. You can see the bottoms are retesting it. So we have some sort of like fractal forming here, clear as day. And when we get that confirmation, it could be as early as this 2 weeks from now, even earlier, we'll be able to take advantage of this. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, take profits, stop losses, trailing stop losses. Everything you'd want is offered on BYDFI, which makes them one of my favorite exchanges here. And they even have, which I like to use on like when the markets are slow or when I want to practice. You can see right here, Reward Center in the demo trading account. They give you a demo account of 50K in demo money to practice your skills, get familiar with the website, learn how to trade, learn how to use everything, make some profitable trades. You can then head over to the live trading account. And the best part is you can use this bonus money that you've accumulated with the link down in the description. You get all these exclusive rewards. You get daily rewards right here. You get new user rewards right here. Take advantage of them. Get as many as you can. $100 in free bonus crypto to anyone that signs up for free down below. You can see it's very easy. Complete a trading volume of $100 to claim another 20 USDT tokens. So a lot of this is free. And when you have like $100 in bonus money, that leveraged 20x is $2,000. So a little goes a long way in regards to bonus money. I thought it was a little too until I started trading with it. And I was like, oh, okay, this is actually pretty profitable. The best part about it, or rewarding, is all the bonus money. It does expire. Some of them definitely do expire. You're going to have to just check. But you can see right here, right over here, bonus wallet, trading profits can be withdrawn. That is huge. So everything I've earned, I can send to Coinbase, I could send to MetaMask, I could send to Trust Wallet, wherever you want to send it. That's the best part about BYDFI. Anywho, moving forward from XRP, you can see we've drawn this symmetrical triangle. There's definitely something forming here. We have Solana in a major bull flag, but also in a symmetrical triangle as well. So the countdown is happening. Just like the countdown for the New Year's, there's definitely a countdown for these cryptocurrencies too. And as we fill in this gap, we're going to have to make a decision. And because these all are forming bullish tendencies, there's a chance, yeah, we could head lower, but until we get that confirmation above or below these resistances, we're not going to do anything. We're going to sit patiently. You could trade inside of here if we don't, like intraday trading, like inside this fractal. I'd rather be patient and wait, but you could do whatever you want because it is a little bit easier to gauge that. But you can see here, this is the most obvious fractal forming on Solana like I've ever seen. Typically, though, these break down. So just be aware of that could happen here. But again, we have not broken through it yet. We have not confirmed it yet. So until we do so, we can sit patiently. If we break out of here to the downside, we're going to short. If we break to the upside, I'd rather wait for all these resistances, moving average, downtrend, price ceiling to be broken first before we hit higher. But it don't get any easier than that. Ethereum, same sort of consolidation taking place. Let's see if it's clearer on the 4 hour. Yeah, you can see that consolidation looks great as well, filling in the gap very nicely. You can see that. And then soon we'll have a decision off that, hopefully to the upside here. Bitcoin, again, we had some sort of descending fractal here. These typically pop to the upside here. So likely, hopefully, we see this little reversal pop. And then we'll have to look at the stock market, which is heading lower. And like I said, I would like us to head here and then probably pop up. But anything can happen, and we'll profit off of it regardless. Anywho, that is it for today's episode. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and Happy New Year's, everybody. Peace.